Understanding problems and features help you avoid building useless products. Today we will learn how to tell the difference between a problem and a feature request. And this is one of the most important PM skills. So let's dive into the lesson. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand what a problem is, you'll be able to understand what a feature request is, you'll be able to know the difference between them, and you'll be able to learn how PMs handle both. What is a problem? A problem is a user's struggle or pain. It is something that causes pain or stress to users. So what is a feature? A feature is a solution built into a product. It is something you add or build, and it helps solve a problem. Imagine a spending chart inside a savings app. So what is a feature request? A feature request is when a user asks for a specific solution. It could be, please add a monthly expense chart. What are the key differences between problem and feature request? Problem describes pain, while feature request suggests a solution. Problem focuses on why feature request focuses on what. Problem is user-centered, while feature request may miss the real issue. Now, let's take a look at this simple example. Imagine a user says, add a reminder notification. This is a feature request, right? The PM doesn't just go ahead and start building a reminder notification. The PM has to ask, what problem are you facing? And then the user might now say, I forget to log my expenses. You see, the PM has gotten the why of building a reminder notification. So why do PMs focus on problems? PMs focus on problems because one problem can have many solutions. There could be better solutions, and not all requests are needed. So, what are the do's of handling requests? How do PMs handle requests? Please, as a PM, you must handle requests by asking why, understanding the user's pain, look at data and patterns, and think of multiple solutions. Remember, a PM is a problem solver and not an order taker. So what are the don'ts and common mistakes to avoid? Don't build every requested feature. Don't assume users know the best solution. Don't ignore the real problem. And don't say yes without understanding. Now let's take a look at this quiz. Imagine a user says, add a reminder notification. What is this? Is this a problem A? B, is this a feature request? C, is this a business goal? D, is it a bug? Please tell me in the comment section. So here are the key takeaways. Problems explain pain. Features are solutions. Feature requests are not always the answer. And PMs must dig deeper. Conclusively, great PMs listen carefully, they ask the right questions, and they solve real problems. Thank you for learning with FESA MyQTech Academy.